Did you like it? Did you all like this one? This was Bumblebee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Very nice. Okay, sir has joined. Let us go to the drawing board now. Take out your drawing stuff. Sir is ready. Good job, everybody. First, see what sir is doing. Take your time and just watch right now. Once sir completes, then you start your drawing. Okay? Thumbs up. Everybody all set to go? Or no, your session is late. Join later. Okay? All right. Let us start. Yes, sir.
आज हम बनाएंगे पेंटिंग विद रूलर आर्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट अबाउट पेपर. फर्स्ट लेट मी देखो पहले कैसे करता हूँ मैं, फिर बाद में कर लेना. ओके, फर्स्ट शो. ओके, देख.
Everybody see. Only see. Relax and watch. Yes.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पेंसिल से आप फिश ड्रॉ करो. ओके, एनी फिश.
Sir will also show you his aquarium today. Okay. There are beautiful fishes in the aquarium. So let us first draw the fish. Sir, थोड़ा सा dark. We are not able to see this.
ओके सर, पहले पेंटिंग के लिए पेंसिल यूज करते हैं और फिर बाद में पेंटिंग होने के बाद उसको स्केच पेन करते हैं, फिर दिखेगा ऐसे.
So sir is drawn a beautiful fish. Okay, with a pencil. Everybody watch. Everyone see this. See what sir is doing. Akansha, look at the screen. Look at the screen, everyone.
और फिर आपको पेंट से पेंट करना है. ओके,
Yes, आप लोगों को सभी को ये आराम से करना है. ओके, आराम से ड्राइंग बनाना है. जल्दी नहीं करना है. इसके लिए कलर लाइन से बाहर नहीं जा रहा है. देखो सर ने कैसे किया है. You can use your favorite colors. पहले सर सब बॉर्डर के ऊपर कलर कर रहे हैं, बॉर्डर कवर कर रहे हैं, देन अंदर से करते हैं. सब बॉर्डर पहले कवर करते हैं, राइट. स्लोली you have to move. तो थोड़ा सा लाइट थोड़ा कम लाइट आ रहा है ना, तो सर वो ड्राइंग विजिबल नहीं है इतना अच्छे से. शायद कहीं से लाइट विंडो से लाइट आ रहा है शायद. सर थोड़ा सा या तो आगे लेंगे क्या उसको पोजीशन. हेलो सर. Sir, you're on mute right now. Sir, can you unmute yourself? Can you unmute yourself? Yeah.
It's just dry. Okay, थोड़ा सा उसको dry होने दो.
इसको थोड़ी देर रोकना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ड्राई होने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, राइट? थोड़ा सा अभी गीला है तो यू हैव टू वेट आफ्टर डूइंग दिस पेंटिंग, वेट इन बिटवीन.
Then outline.
अभी बॉर्डर कर रहे हैं स्केच पेन से, आफ्टर सूखने के बाद, है ना? गीला रहेगा तब नहीं करना है, ये सूखने के बाद करना है. तो 2 मिनट वेट करेंगे तो सूख जाएगा वो. See, if you practice it, you can do fast the way sir is doing, right? Sir is doing very fast, but when you're doing it starting now, you can do slowly. And when you practice it, you will be able to do it fast. तो आपको धीरे धीरे करना है, जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है. See the finish. Wow. अभी पहले सब देखेंगे उसके बाद करेंगे, ओके? कलर आप कोई सा भी ले सकते हैं, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है. डार्क कलर से बॉर्डर बनानी है. आप लोगों को सब धीरे धीरे करना है, ओके? I will record also this session and upload if you want to see that. And sir भी अभी फोटो भेजने वाले हैं आपको. आपको धीरे धीरे करना है, जल्दी करेंगे तो फिर गड़बड़ हो सकता है. आराम से करना है. Everybody is able to see the screen right now? Everyone is able to see the screen. Show me thumbs up. Very nice. Good job. Okay, good. We will also send you the recording. Just watch right now. Don't do the chatting and anything else. Just watch. Very good. You have to have a similar finish. Okay. Your drawing also should be like this. See, colors is not going out of the line. And you have to do slowly. If you do it slowly, first time, you have to practice. Whatever you do it good. Okay. So today you have enough time. You can take the time after the session and then draw, then pen, and then share. आप लोगों को सब ये आराम से ड्राइंग करना है. Okay. I don't want you to rush and do it fast. Because to make it beautiful, you have to sit quietly, relax, and enjoy the drawing. And if you enjoy the drawing, you will make a beautiful drawing. Do it slowly. See one thing at a time. Only concentrate on the drawing. This sir is looking at anything else. He is looking at only drawing when he's doing drawing, right? So whatever you do, focus only on that. See, beautiful drawing. And we will also send you the recording of this. Wow. Very nice. Sir, you are able to hear me? सर आपको सुनाई दे रहा है?
फर्स्ट आप पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करो,
ओके.
फिर उसको पेंट करो, देन स्केच पेन एंड कलर.
सर आप इसका फोटो भी भेज दीजिए. एंड सर आपका एक्वेरियम भी बता दीजिए ना सर. हेलो सर, कैन यू शो एक्वेरियम ऑल्सो? सर, कैन यू हियर मी? Sir, can you hear me? Are you able to hear me, sir? I think sir is not.
can you start?
Sir, can you hear me? I think sir is not able to hear me. There is some voice issue. See, we are not able to hear sir. Okay, but you already seen the drawing. Okay, I've recorded the session. Sir will also show you the aquarium now. Just wait. Sir will show you the aquarium now. See, sir's house have all this beautiful small aquarium. See the fish. See this one. Can you see this aquarium? Wow. And then he has another one just below that. See this one. Fishes are not clearly visible here. And then you have a smaller one also. In this also there is a fish. See this one. Wow.
Plant is also there.
There are plants also in that, and then fishes. This is alone single one in this bowl. Blue color. See the color, beautiful. We are not able to hear, sir. And then, sir, show the bigger one also. There is another room. There is a much bigger aquarium. So, sir will show that one also. Let's go and see in the other room. See this one. Count the number of fishes you can see here. Can you see this orange little ones? Very nice, beautiful ones.
This is the molly fish and real plant.
There is a real plant in this, real plants. Okay, and then small molly fish. So show your paintings also.
Okay. Bye bye.
I think sir is not able to hear us. So thank you everybody. I've recorded. I will share the recording and the pictures also.
Okay, take your time and do nicely drawing.
Yeah, you don't have to rush. Do this properly and share the pictures. All right. Good job, everybody. Take your time and then share the picture. Very nice. All right. Bye bye. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, bye.